Hey everyone, Ben here, and I am going to show you a screen protector I got for my Apple Watch. I'm really intrigued by this, and I want to see if it's as good as it looks. I watched the video that they have on their website. It's also on Amazon. It's called the LK Screen Protector, and it was 10 bucks. There's 6 of them in here. First off, I'm wondering why you need 6. Does this thing not last? It's a thin piece of plastic that just protects the outside layer of the Apple Watch. But the first question I had when I got an Apple Watch for Christmas was, do I really need a screen protector? Apple's official stance is that you don't, and it's just a personal preference. But I've heard too many stories of people scratching their watch because it's on your wrist all the time. You bump up against stuff, and Apple says that the glass is super hard on it, but there is a layer on top, and you can scratch that layer on top. Heard of people cracking them also. I'm not sure this would protect against a crack. This is not the tempered glass. This is just a thin layer of plastic. I'm gonna read the description from Amazon for this LK, which I think is some cheap brand out of China, I'm guessing. The English in the video was not perfect, so I'm guessing it's, oh yep, made in China. Let's go ahead and read the description here. It's a unique adhesive, can be washed, reused, reapplied. Wet install method ensures easy, bubble-free, and frustration-free installation that will leave the film perfectly contoured to any device. I'm really intrigued by how this works. The video looked kind of like a hot mess. You're spraying water all over this thing, sliding it around on the Apple Watch. But I've heard good things about it. It is optically transparent, 99% HD clear screen with smooth glass-like surface and true touch feel, and keeps the bright and colorful image quality. Specifically designed, precise laser cutting technology to offer maximum screen coverage. Material flexibility allows coverage even on curved devices. Self-healing, flexible, tough, military-grade thermoplastic urethane designed to absorb impact. Now, I'm not sure how that absorbs impact. It's super thin if you see from the videos, and we'll see in a minute here. I'm gonna open up my new Apple Watch, and I'm gonna put it right on the brand new Apple Watch. There's 12 steps in their video that I've printed up here as my guide, and I'll be following that as I go through and apply this screen protector to my Apple Watch. Let's get right to it. This is a Apple Watch Series 3 that I got, 42 millimeter. Nice, it's all wrapped in plastic. Let's go ahead and open the screen protectors as well. Got some marketing material. Oh, these are the screens actually. There's 3 on each page. Comes with screen protector liquid spray, dust absorber, guide sticker, several sheets of those, 3 sheets of those, a microfiber cloth, wet and dry wipes, 3 sets of those, and this rectangular device with a kind of a soft cloth edge on it. It's for smoothing it out once you get it applied. It says to do this at nighttime, that way you don't have to wait because it has to sit 12 hours. So I'm doing it at nighttime. I'll check back in the morning and see how it is, but let's get into putting this onto my Apple Watch. Step 1, turn off your watch. This watch is already off. It is brand new. Step 2, take off the Apple Watch band. Slide it out. Use the wet wipes to clean the screen. I probably don't need to because this is brand spanking new, but I already see a little dust speck on it, maybe in shipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it and follow the exact directions. I'm gonna get a wet wipe out here. Before I started this whole thing, I washed my hands as well, so I didn't get any dirt on them. On the screen. Step number 4, dry out the screen with the dry wipes. Step number 5, use the dust absorber to absorb any dusts on the screen. Whatever dusts is. Came out of China, so sometimes the English is not the best. And this you just stick on the screen, and if there's any dust, it takes it off. Step number 6, spray your finger with the solution. And this is where it gets a little bit dicey. I'm gonna move this out of the way so I don't get it on anything else. They were rubbing it around with their thumb in the video. And do it on both hands. Step number 7, peel off the screen protector and then spray the solution on the screen protector surface. I feel like I'm gonna bend it. Well, maybe this is why it comes with 6. It's not peeling off very easy. Let me try this side here. My hands are already drying out. Hold on, let me get this started and then I'm gonna respray my hands using my nail. Oh, there it goes. And the side that you're gonna spray is the underside. I had to watch the video a few times to be able to tell because they kind of flip it around weird. But this side that you peel up, the side that you're looking at first is the side that goes on top of the Apple Watch. The underside is what sticks to this piece of paper. Let me respray my fingers here. I think they did 3 sprays. Okay, I'm gonna bring the watch back here now. I'm gonna peel this off. Now it says to spray the side that's gonna stick to the watch, this side here. There. Step number 8, place the screen protector on the screen and align it properly on the screen. This is where I always have trouble with these things, but maybe this wet solution will do it correctly. Okay. All right, well, it doesn't seem quite straight. There's some bubbles forming, but they say those go away. I think that's straight. And I'm not worried about the water since the Apple Watch is waterproof. I'm kind of looking at the edges to see if I got it centered. It's kind of hard to see if I have it perfectly centered on this watch or not. Just one corner is kind of being a bit of a pain. Maybe I have it too far in that direction. I'm gonna slide it around. It doesn't slide very easily once you get it on there. It's kind of stuck. Let's go to the next step. I think I've got it centered. This one corner keeps popping back up though. Step number 9, wait 30 seconds. I think I've waited 30 seconds. Step number 10, press hardly on the screen by your hand. So I'm gonna press hardly on the screen by my hand. Use the square card to squeeze out the water and bubble. In the video, they put a finger on one side or a thumb and then did this way and then the other way. There are some bubbles. I can see them working their way out. Step number 11, use the microfiber cloth to dry the water on the screen and the edge. Press the edge with the microfiber until the screen protector stick well on the screen edge. So I'm drying the outside of it off. I'm kind of working my way around and pressing it out like this to the edge to try and get that edge to seal. And I can still see, doesn't look the clearest. I can kind of see some bubbles under it. Supposedly those all go away by morning, so we'll see about that. But if you look closely, you can see it's not the best. Unless I put a fingerprint on the underside of it. I don't know, we'll see. And that corner's not giving me problems anymore. It's pretty well stuck down. Step number 12, place your Apple Watch on the dry environment in 12 hours. Any bubbles will disappear automatically. There's some smudges though, that's kind of bothering me. Maybe those are just bubbles, but it looks like a smudge. I hope it wasn't my fingerprint on the underside. We shall see in the morning. I'm back, it's the next day. Let's see how this Apple Watch did. I'm gonna pick it up here, take a look at it. Wow, everything really, truly did go away. That's pretty cool. You can hardly tell it's on there. Let me power the watch up and let's see what it looks like. I really cannot tell that there's something on this watch. It looks really good. The Apple logo's, it's booting up now. That one little corner is kind of bothering me. I think that's a me problem because the other 3 are awesome. I'll see what I can do to that. Initial thoughts? For 10 bucks, why not try this out? I'm gonna use it for a month or 2 and then make another video and we'll see how it holds up under time. This case is not meant to prevent it from getting cracked. if you hit it really hard or put it in a bag and throw it down, it's probably still gonna get cracked. There are some tempered glass covers that are supposed to provide some better protection like that will crack the glass instead of the glass on the Apple Watch. But it's supposedly made with a really hard material as it is. So I'm just gonna put a thin layer across the top just to protect the top from hairline surface level scratches. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the setup here, and then I'll do some close-up shots. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribing for more techie related videos. This is my channel where I just make random videos of things that I do. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's go down for some close-up shots and we'll see you next time.